Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the problem 500 squared minus 499 squared. So, to solve this, what I'm first going to do is rewrite this as 499 plus 1 squared minus 499 squared. And if I have something in the form a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So 499 plus 1 squared is turned into 499 squared plus 2 times 499 times 1 plus 1 squared, and I have this minus 499 squared. Now, I can cancel out 499 squared and negative 499 squared, so I'll be left with 2 times 499 times 1 plus 1 squared. 2 times 499 is 998, times 1 is just 998, and I have this plus 1 squared, which is plus 1, and this is equal to 999. Now, I actually have another method of solving this. So I have 500 squared minus 499 squared, and this time I'm going to rewrite this as 500 squared minus 500 minus 1 squared. Now, if I have something in the form a minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b times a minus b, which is equal to, if I factor this out, a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So this is going to turn into 500 squared minus 2 times 500 times 1 plus b squared, which is 1 squared. So these two cancel out. However, this is actually going to be in parentheses. So the negative sign distributes. So this turns into 500 squared minus 500 squared plus 2 times 500 times 1, which is the same thing as 2 times 500, minus 1 squared. Now these two can cancel out, so I get 1,000 minus 1, which is equal to 999. So again, I get 999 as my answer. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to solve the equation k times k times k plus k is equal to 30. So obviously I want to find the value of k in this equation. So to start off, k times k times k is the same thing as k to the power of 3. So like k to the power of 3 plus k is equal to 30. And now I'm going to subtract 30 on both sides. So I get k to the power of 3 plus k minus 30 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to rewrite this as k to the power of 3 plus k minus 27 minus 3 is equal to 0. And 27 is the same thing as 3 to the power of 3. So I get k to the power of 3 plus k minus 3 to the power of 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now if I have something in the form a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, this is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. So this is equal to k minus 3 times k squared plus 3k plus 3 squared, which is 9. And we can't forget our plus k minus 3 at the end, which is this part right here. And this is equal to 0. So now, because both of these terms have k minus 3 in them, I can factor out k minus 3. So I get k minus 3 times k squared plus 3k plus 9 plus 1, because k minus 3 divided by k minus 3 is 1, is equal to 0. So this turns into k minus 3 times k squared plus 3k plus 10 is equal to 0. Now I'm going to divide this into two different equations. I have k minus 3 equals 0, and k squared plus 3k plus 10 is equal to 0. So for k minus 3 equals 0, I can add 3 on both sides. So I get k is equal to 3. So this is one solution of k. And for k squared plus 3k plus 10 equals 0, because this is a quadratic equation, I can use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So in this case, a is 1, b is 3, and c is 10. So I get k equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 9, minus 4, times a, which is 1, times c, which is 10, all over 2a, so 2 times 1. So now this is equal to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 40 over 2, which is equal to negative 3 plus or minus the square root of negative 31 over 2. And I can rewrite this as negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 31i over 2, because I is equal to the square root of negative 1. So this is two more solutions of k. So these are my three solutions.